This is crazy stuff, watching chocolate melt. Wild here on Prep School. Hey, I'm Megan and I'm here in the Thrive Market Test Kitchen, and today I'm gonna show you how to make an Almond Joy candy bar, but it's keto and it's vegan. This is a great alternative if you wanna know what's going in your candy bar, if you're on a special diet. I got you, this one's for you. But before I get started, be sure to like, comment, subscribe. And if you're wondering what Thrive Market is, it's an online market that sells organic and non-GMO products straight to your door. Let's go. All right, in a food processor, I'm gonna add coconut flakes or coconut chips, unsweetened, coconut butter that I've melted. I really like coconut butter. I actually made it once where I browned it. So I cooked it and I cooked it down low and slow, and it turned this dark nutty color, and it kind of reminded me of peanut butter. It had a very nice nutty flavor. So if you're bored one day, you want to mess around with coconut butter, give it a try. I'm also using coconut oil. This is a coconut dish. I'm also using Swerve powdered sugar, and I'm using their powdered sugar instead of their granulated because it just helps this stick together better. And you can add a couple tablespoons and then taste it. If you want it a little sweeter, you can add more. If you're cool with it, then just leave it. And a pinch of salt. Growing up, this was my mom's favorite candy bar, Almond Joys and Mounds. She loved these. And I don't know, I like them too. Blend it up. This looks great. So I have a small portion scoop, but I need about 2 of these. So about 2 teaspoons, maybe 2 tablespoons. And I'm gonna put them next to each other because they're friends. They wanna hang out. Okay, like that. I'm just gonna show you one quickly. And I'm just gonna sort of form it into a log. The more you touch it, the more it's gonna go. I'm gonna pop this in the fridge to firm up. Just kind of form it into a bar. And then take an almond. I mean, if you want to leave it like this is just a Mounds bar, which is still delicious. But I'm gonna add an almond in the middle. I'm gonna pop these in the fridge to firm up. I'll check on them about 10 minutes after they've chilled, 10-15 minutes, and reshape them if they've spread out a smidge bit. Reshape them into a bar, and then I'll dip them in chocolate. So while these chill, I'm gonna show you how to make the chocolate. All right, small sauce pot. I'm gonna melt my chocolate. Often when I melt chocolate, I want a double boiler, but I'm gonna be adding coconut oil to this, so it'll act like a buffer, and just do it low and slow. I'm using Lily's dark chocolate and a couple tablespoons of coconut oil. And then just keep an eye on this, low and slow until it's melted. This looks beautiful. It's melted. It smells insane. I wanna put my entire face in here. All right, let's dip these Almond Joys. I poured my warm chocolate into a bowl, and this is how I like to dunk my Almond Joys, my keto Almond Joys. Firmed up. Dunk them in. Make sure they're fully covered with the chocolate, and then pick it up, and then tap, 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 tap-a-roo. I'll tap. Try and get off as much excess as possible, and then we're sliding it right back on the tray. That's all it is, guys. Homemade candy bars. All right, you might be wondering, why make a candy bar at home? If you're keto and if you're vegan, I don't know, maybe there's not a lot of candy bars out there for you, and you know exactly what's going in this. All right, after this, I'm gonna pop in the fridge just to firm up one more time, and then they're ready to go. They're ready to be enjoyed. Let's go. These have firmed up, and they look beautiful. They're keto, they're vegan, they're homemade, they're cute. I hope you give them a try, and if you do, please let me know. Like, comment, subscribe, and you can find all the ingredients I used today at thrivemarket.com/prepschool. Happy cooking. So when you're on a special diet, sounds like gas in here. Don't worry, Angela's just trying to burn Thrive Market to the ground. Place your orders now, guys.